Okay, here's how to remove these pins on the BMW e46 taillights. This is the 8-pin connector. Here is what the pin looks like. There's a tab right there on the front at the top of the connector on each side. And you need to bend these out of the way and then pull back these tabs here while pulling on the wire, and it'll pop out. Let me show you. Okay, so here's the front of the connector. I recommend using a pick. I have a snap-on one. This one works pretty good. It's got a nice thin point at the end. So basically, all you want to do is take your pick onto one side. Let's get this in focus. Get your pick on the top here and on the bottom of the pin, and you're going to be pulling down on the wire at the same time. So you'll hear a click. Small click there. Give us enough room to turn the connector, and then work on the back side. Pry this up, pull, and there's your connector right there. Now you will notice that sometimes it does bend the pins slightly. The little tabs here might get bent a little bit. Just bend them back out, and then you're good to go. That's it. The reason you'd be removing one of these pins is because your ground wire decided to burn up, which is what happened on my customer's vehicle. And now I'm replacing the connector and going to be doing the recommended TSB service where you put the extra ground here as well. I won't be using the BMW kit. I'm just going to run some new wires and then solder it all together.